India celebrates the 26th of January as Republic Day to mark the day in 1950 when the Constitution of India came into force, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 and transforming India into a sovereign, democratic republic. This date honors the Purna Swaraj Declaration of Independence by the Indian National Congress in 1930. Key details regarding Republic Day. 1. Adoption of the Constitution. Although India gained independence on the 15th of August 1947, it lacked a permanent constitution. A drafting committee, chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, completed the constitution, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on the 26th of November 1949 and enacted on the 26th of January 1950. Significance of the date: January 26th was chosen to honor the 1930 declaration of Purna Swaraj, complete independence, from British rule. 3. First Republic Day, 1950. On the 26th of January 1950, Dr. Rajendra Prasad took the oath as the first President of India at the Darbar Hall in the Government House, followed by a parade to the Irwin Stadium. 4. Celebrations and traditions. The main celebration is held in New Delhi with a grand parade, showcasing India's military strength and cultural diversity, attended by the President and top leadership. Key rituals include flag hoisting. The President of India unfurls the national flag. Parades and tableaux. Military regiments, school children, and state tableaux march down Kartavya Path. Awards. Gallantry awards are presented to members of the armed forces. Beating retreat. Held on the 29th of January, this ceremony officially concludes the Republic Day celebration. Difference from Independence Day. While the 15th of August commemorates freedom from British rule, the 26th of January marks the establishment of the nation's own constitution and the shift to a self-governing republic.